Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Akash Jaiswal.
Author of.
Zero to everyone.
So first of all, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's kind of exciting
Okay.
and seeing a lots of enthusiasts here. People like 1% of people I know who are reading here,
Right.
and seeing a lots of authors and books. It's keeping the energy high.
Are you a reader yourself?
I'm a reader myself, and about that, I have read about 100 books last year.
Wow, that's crazy. What is something about your book that stands out in its genre or theme?
I would like to say here, like, you have heard about lots of startup these days
Right.
and lots of trending people coming with the ideas. But we already, as a culture, as an Indian culture, we know about the business.
Right.
We have a small business, we have medium businesses,
Right.
but they don't know how to market themselves, so they go in the back lane that they do not come into the startup culture or business culture. This book, Zero to Everyone, is for them, for any graduate student, for anyone who is looking to someone to grow, to get a path. Because
Right.
when you look at Shark Tank, right, you see a lot of terminologies that go bounce, like what is equity, what is those things.
Right.
But there should be some book which should simplify every process. There should be something that they can take the product, market it,
Right.
and earn about that.
Right.
That's about Zero to Everyone.
Wow, that's really good. So what is one piece of advice you want to give to our community of writers?
If you love to read books, or if you're not into books, start reading with something which you like.
Right.
Once you start something which you like, definitely your genre is going to increase, your breadth is going to increase, your length is going to increase, and you're definitely going to be a good reader.
That's wonderful advice, sir. Thank you so much for joining us here. And
Thanks
I hope
for
you
having
have a
me.
wonderful book fair experience.
Yeah.
Thank you.